So we had, every day for many of the years after that, interrupted power supply, sometimes on schedule, sometimes not. And we would just collectively all learn to create our schedules around that. So if you knew that you weren't going to have electricity at certain times of day, you would know that you needed to do homework. And the point I wanted to make about that, and the one that continues to resonate with me today, is that I'm sitting here in Cambridge, Massachusetts, and I think it's easy to think of the electrified world, and then our image of the unelectrified world, I think, is remote, off-grid, rural, poor, etc. And that's actually not fully inclusive of the reality of vast swaths of the world who are urban, middle class, certainly poor, but also middle class and upper middle class, who don't enjoy reliable electricity supply. And that's a big part of what we collectively, all of us engaged in the work of the energy transition, have to do, which is to assure that supply going forward.